Hello, my name is Ashir Amjad and my registration ID is 44111. In this video, me and my group member will tell you about our new business idea and emerging trends. So our new business idea is that we have decided to open a cafe at Super Highway Karachi, in which we will offer traditional drinks and beverages. Like we will keep special drinks of each provinces of Pakistan, like Kashmiri chai, sattu, rabdi doodh, ganne ka ras, etc. And if we talk about the emerging trends in this sector, I picked the social trend to describe. In Karachi, we see many people love to go out and hang out with family and friends. Uh, because it attracts them, and at super highway we see the business of restaurants and cafe increasing day by day, because it attracts the attention of Karachiites, and m- any business which have some uniqueness or some specialities in it, so the Karachiites come to it and enjoy it and get some exposure. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nouri Seher. My registration number is 39268. Today I will tell you how economic trend will affect our business. So first of all, we will have to pay the interest rate, which is one of the main factor. And for rest, we will be paying, even if we buy the places on the lease, we will have to pay the interest rate. Then after come tax rate, we need to be paid by every business. So we will pay our taxes on time and charge 13% from every customer as per law. Later, we will expand our business locally and internationally, and for that, we will have to do trade locally and internally, and that is really important. Along with that, inflation may affect our business in negative way. As you know, rate for everything will increase, and handling a huge business will become a little difficult task. But on the other hand, our business will also provide a job for local people, and I think it may be affected for economy in some positive way.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Huran and my registration number is 39115. So today I'll be telling you about how legal trends can affect our business. So first of all, it can be applicable on security, as security and privacy are the two main important things for any business. So to keep our cafe safe, we will need some really strong cyber security to avoid any kind of criminal activity, such as install CCTV cameras all around the cafe, and then some really strong computer security and information technology security to protect system and software for the cafe, to avoid any kind of theft or criminal activities, and maintain all kind of legal activities to protect privacy and better security. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Yasir Ali and my registration number is 40111. In this video, we are going to tell about our business plan, which was Highway Cafe, in which we offer different variety of food to our consumers. And let's talk about the emerging trends. In emerging trends, my topic is environmental. So, in environmental, we need to consider the both factor, internal and external. Internal external is very important to consider. You should have a place to indoor plant and take care of cleanliness on a regular basis, while the external surroundings should be clean and hassle free, so the customer can easily reach to their recycled material. And we really need to use recycled material and a proper food waste management, which donate the leftover to our charitable organizations and make them useful to everyone.
My name is Sonali and my registration number is 35794. My topic is the technology trends. There are lots of technology trends in our restaurants, cafes, industry, such as home delivery applications. Some of example home delivery applications like Food Panda, Kareem's and Airlift Express and other, they are regulating increasing services are new companies being to service deliver food to people's home, and other they are restaurants and cafes traditionally used to be printed menu cards and menu items. Now restaurants and cafes using where we can check the menu other directly diner other than they are paid. बेसिकली फर्स्ट जो हम ऑर्डर करते थे तो वो करते थे मेन्यू के थ्रू करते थे, अभी जो है हम एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू.